Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cutest Creep Working YouTube channel. This is lesson 8 of the beginner Irish traditional flute with me, Rachel. These videos are sponsored by the T-Buck, Newry Morning Down Council and the Executive Office. Today we're going to go over last week's tune that we ran over very quickly, which was the Little Diamond Polka. So I'll put the notes up here beside me and we'll get started. So that's a lovely wee polka that we have there, and just remember on my notes beside me here, the long line underneath the note means that you hold that note for a little bit longer, and then the wee hoop from two notes, or maybe connecting two notes, or maybe connecting three notes, is to meaning to play them faster. And then at the end you can see two wee dots and two lines, and that means play it twice on a score, like a sheet music. But I like to put it I just put it on Irish traditional notes to maybe incorporate a wee bit of classical music, the way you're actually meant to write wee signs and stuff at the end of a part. So like the first part, so the first two lines here, ends with that wee thing, and that means to play it twice. But I also wrote times two on it just in case you forget. So you play the first part twice, the second part twice, and then repeat that. Okay. So the week before that we did Breeches Full of Stitches, so I think we might just run over that, and then we'll do a few exercises maybe and go over some of our high notes. Okay, so this is Breeches Full of Stitches, and it's quite a good enough speed, and if you want to go back to the last video maybe and go over it a bit slower, go on ahead, but sure, we'll just play it at a normal enough speed here now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so today's tune is Star of the County Down. It's a march, and you can maybe play it with Dawn of the Day, and we're just going to put up the notes here beside me and we can go through it line by line. Okay, so I'm going to play the Star of the County Down for you, and then we'll go through it line by line like usual. Okay, so the first line is Star of the County Down, starting on F. We'll play it together a wee bit slower. 1, 2. Second line, 1, 2. And then the third line, 1, 2. So on the fourth line there, it is BBA, and you'll notice that there is that, again, we repeat sign, and the note underneath the last note in that part, so it's BBA, and then there's a B below it, and that means when you repeat it, you play the note below. So you play the passage and you play it again, but the second time round, instead of playing the A, you play the B. So we'll play the first part twice. 1, 2, 3. So you'll notice that the second time I played that, I played B instead of A. First part of the second line. And then the third and the fourth lines. So you only play that part once and then you go back up to the top and play the first part once again. And again on the B. Okay, so we're going to go through the whole tune, but a wee bit slower than the first time I played it for you, and we'll try and play it together. 1, 2, 3. Right guys, thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Lesson 9 will be up pretty soon, and if you need any more practice, just make sure you're going back on the other videos because it's a useful resource. Jonas is back on at the minute, 7 to 9 in Monidara. Come on down and join a lesson. Make sure you are practicing those tunes now, and yeah, 5 minutes a day, even playing your tunes once a day. Well, you'll be sorted by the next videos up. Okay, right, thanks for watching guys, and leave a comment if you have any advice or questions or if you need any help. Okay, right guys, thanks very much for watching. Bye.